Today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome esports thumbnail in Photoshop. Let's get started and open Photoshop. I have created a thumbnail. I will show you each step of how I have created this thumbnail. This is the background where I have used a pattern and reduced its opacity. Then erased it. And level has been used to adjust slightly. And this is a shape, and this is a text which has been clipped and masked. And motion blur has been used in the text. This is the main text, in which texture has been used. And this is the image of an esport player, which I have adjusted a little. At the bottom, torn paper has been used with texture. Then some sponsors logo. These are some distorted lines. And cross PNG image. To give distorted effect in these, first, I have saved this texture in PSD format. Then by selecting the cross image, going to distort in the filter option, this one has to be used with the displace effect. Now you have to select the saved texture PSD file, which distorts the effect, and I have used this same effect in the line. So this esport design can be made in this way.